Hey, hi everybody. So today I wanted to come on here and do a video, and I wanted to be completely, I guess, open on my YouTube page. This is about me sharing my story, um, and following a journey that I'm on. So, this video is me releasing. Um, and so, I want to talk about something that has bothered me for years. I want to say at least for the last 4, maybe 5 years, this has been bothering me. I have looked into it to find out, why this is happening. Talk to professionals, looked into myself, trying to find out, what's going on. This is the first time that I am uh, sharing this with people. Um, so here it goes. YouTube is about to find out. I know that this will help someone. Um, and I'm all about helping people. Okay? So, I have a secret and I'm about to share it. So, y'all ready? Here goes. So, yes. So, I have clip in teeth. I didn't know what to think about it at first when I first got them, but I lost my first tooth from eating the apple. The second tooth came out by eating trail mix. I was just like, damn, I've always had pretty teeth, um, but I didn't pay it no attention. Honestly, I didn't know what to think. But yes, so I have uh, 4 teeth missing to date, and yeah, it's my front tooth is the one that really almost took me out. Like it almost killed me. Um, I I was in the beauty field for 10 years, actually 12 years. So I always prided myself on looking pretty, having a pretty mouth. I think beauty comes from within. And once that person deals with that insecurity, um, they can, go about their day a lot better. So by me not working at my corporate job no more, I don't have to be self confident no more. Um, I can go out, without my teeth in, and I don't even think nothing about it now. So yeah, I felt like that I wanted to document this on my YouTube channel, um, and I wanted to let people know about these teeth, because I'm gonna tell you, teeth are very expensive when you try to go through dental. Just because you have dental care, that don't mean anything. This shit is still expensive. I worked for a great company, a top company, and I had a great insurance plan. I wanted to get veneers, implants, and I went and had it checked out. And after insurance, I was gonna have to pay $17,000 out of pocket. And I was like, I can't do that. I won't do that. $17,000 is a lot of money. So they was like, well, you can finance it and blah blah blah. No, I cannot. So I said, you know what, Cherie, don't give up. I let it go for a little while, and at that time I was working from home, so it really didn't matter. Nobody saw me anyway. Part of me said, maybe I need to just go have all my teeth yanked out and just get dentures. So I started looking up dentures. Um, and I would have been okay with dentures, um, because I'm a middle aged woman, and but I never went through with it, because it was just something about voluntarily going to have all of my teeth yanked out. So that is something I'm gonna look at in the future. But I wanted to tell you all what blessing did come from this, and it gave me my smile back partially to where I'm okay with it. So I got to, when I say I'm a researcher, I'm a researcher. I got online and I got the researching teeth replacement for cheap. And so I came across Amazon. Amazon will forever be a savior for me. I said, I can find some teeth. I was like, this can't be true. This can't be real. But, sure enough, it was. I ordered the teeth. I got the top set and the bottom. Well, the bottom teeth was a joke. I threw them away. Now, it comes in it's called Insta Smile. Matter of fact, let me just show you it's called Instant Smile. And now you have to, they come already made, but you have to put them in hot water, and you got to put them in and mold them to your teeth. So it took me probably about 20 minutes, maybe 30 minutes to get it right. But that's, you can do a lot of, if you decide to get Instant Smile teeth on Amazon, it's many videos out there. I'm just sharing with people what they can do if you're in a situation like me. So, this is what they look like on the inside. You probably can't see it because it's nighttime and I'm in my car, but I got my inside light on. But they mold to my teeth, and these are the front. Like, for me, like I said, people always say you have pretty teeth, and I'm like, thank you. And I was self-conscious because I was like, I do talk different when I have them in, and I don't wear them every day, so I'm still trying to get used to them. And I've had them about 6 months now. So how they go in, I'm gonna show you. They go in easy, like, oh my God. So you just put them in. So, like, they look real. Um, you feel funny. A lot of the letters I can't pronounce, but if I just slow down, I can get it out. Like, it's gonna come to you. The more you wear them, you're gonna get comfortable. But I wanted to come on here and tell my secret. So I have a smile that's perfect for me. Like, I can take pictures, I can get on here and do my videos. And it may be sometimes I may not want to put my teeth in. My bottoms are spacing out because I have weak bones in my gums. I forgot what disease they called it, but it was passed down, like I said, from my mother and my great great my great grandmother. So, but for me, I feel like I'm still pretty, you know. So I wanted to tell you all that. I hope this video helps someone, and I will um I may put the link in the description box, but people really don't message me. They email me. So I will do that. I hope y'all have a good day. And if you need teeth in your mouth, Instant Smile on Amazon. So y'all have a good day. Bye.